Boasting a charming wood-burning fireplace and hardwood floors, this delightful two-bedroom, one-bathroom single-family home offers a cozy living space with stainless steel appliances and quartz counters in the kitchen. Located at 519 North Pierce Street in Boise, this property features 971 square feet of interior space. The attached garage and RV parking provide ample parking options, while the double vanity adds a touch of luxury to the bathroom. Priced at $554,500, this home combines comfort and convenience in a desirable neighborhood.